Hello YouTube. Today this is going to be a review of this Toshiba satellite C55t-A. Now this is a Windows 8 laptop, but I upgraded to Windows 8.1. It is touchscreen, of course. It has an Intel Core i3 processor. It's Energy Star. So let's just take a look around the laptop. So on this front here, as you can see, the Toshiba logo isn't right here. It's on the corner. On the front right here, you have a SD card reader, some notification lights. I'm guessing this is the Wi-Fi. This is the power, and this is charge. Over here, you have a DVD drive, a USB 2.0, your power, I'm guessing your power, your charger, your Kensington lock. In this portion, you have your battery. Let's see. Over here, you have a headphone jack, a microphone jack, USB 3.0. USB 2.0, HDMI, Ethernet, and VGA. Nothing else on the bottom. So let's just open this guy back up. Okay, so let me just type in the passcode. Okay. So after I've done that, you could see the home screen. Now Windows 8.1 has made some changes, as you can see right here. They made you can make the tiles really small or extra large, like the weather app, because I use that quite frequently, so I just made it larger. You have your app screen. So here are some of my apps. I have OneNote, TripAdvisor, Craigslist, Netflix, Fresh Paint. That's actually my favorite app, Fresh Paint. Robotech, some games and stuff. So let's just get into the desktop mode, and you'll notice some differences. In the desktop mode, there's the start button. Okay, so it's like a normal Windows 7, Windows Vista, and so on desktop screen, except the start button leads to the home page. So the start page. Oops, what did I just do? Okay, so let's see. Go to YouTube. See, that's kind of an annoying thing about Windows 8. Keeps on opening into new apps out of nowhere, so let's just close that. YouTube. And as you can see, the speeds on this is my internet speed, but this laptop is pretty fast because that i3 processor. My previous laptop had a Pentium processor in it. Oh, and it was a horrible disaster. It kept on freezing and freezing and freezing and freezing. Oh, well, this isn't as that much of a disaster. If you swipe up over here, you have your search. You have your bar. I forgot what it's called, but you have your search, you have your share, you have your start, you have your devices and settings. Let's just go into settings real quick. So right here you could disconnect and not go to Wi-Fi. Here's your volume, brightness, notifications, and such. Right here is change your PC settings. And notice that they changed the thing from blue to purple, and it's kind of different here. So let's just go back there. And this laptop is pretty darn fast, as you can see. Let's see. And then another thing is right here. Click that to go down to the apps, to the app finder, I call it, kinda. And now with Windows 8.1, the background, it's animated. Did you see that robot moving and the gears moving? It's really hard to see the gears on camera, but the gears are moving and this robot goes up and down. So that's kind of a nice touch. the laptop comes with some Toshiba software, but I really don't want it. It keeps on saying, oh, software updates, software updates. I'm like, I don't want this. So it's kind of annoying. Let's see. The touchscreen, I believe, is a 10-point touchscreen. The keyboard is nice to use. You just click on it like, hello, how are you doing? But the problem is, I don't know if I could show you guys on camera, but stuff gets inside the keyboard and you could see it, and it looks like my laptop's really dirty and I'm a dirty person and I made it all dirty and stuff, but it's just dust that gets in there and it looks ugly and it's like pieces of paper and stuff. I don't even know how that got in there. And the speakers, well, that's another story. We all know laptop speakers. They're horrible. Here in the weather app, let's just check out the weather app. Okay, so it's pretty cold. Yep, 37 degrees, pretty cold. So, right here, you could add my places. Go back. So, this is kind of like an array of apps, people. Oh, wait up, where to go? OneNote, I keep all my notes in here. Store. So I went to top 3, saved my place. So they kind of changed up the store, and I don't like it anymore because it's not as functional. Because before it was like categories like games, travel, education, blah blah blah. And now it's like Toshiba picks for you. I mean, no, I don't like this store anymore. And the background is annoying. I just like the plain white background, and they just added that. I don't like it at all. So I'm not really a complainer, but this app store like really upsets me. But that's just for 8.1, the software. I'm not talking about the actual laptop. The actual laptop is great to use. And I forgot to mention the webcam. The webcam quality, if you're buying this laptop, if you're looking for a laptop with a good webcam, don't buy this laptop. I mean, that's all I have to say about it. I don't want to go into it. It's horrible. I mean, it makes your picture all muffly and stuff. So that's it for the review. Thank you for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe.